Alright, so polynomial functions written in standard form. They're written in looking at its exponent. You might have a number up here, 5, 3. They're written in descending order. Bigger numbers here and then smaller numbers going down from left to right. That's called descending order. The first term is the most very important because it tells us it's the leading coefficient. It tells us if the graph opens up or down. If you have, if you see the notation n minus 1, you'll notice that they'll just be going down in numbers. That's all. It just means the previous term. You'll also see that this last term is just a number because if you don't have anything, it's x to the 0. X to the 0 is just 1. 1 times anything is just this number, so this is called a constant. And this constant, if I put x equals 0 into any of these, it'll make it go away, and then you're just left with this number, so 0 and a number is a y-intercept. Alright, boys lost the paper, rock, scissors. Boys, you go first. What's your name? Okay, remember, what's the difference between A and B, right?
Right.
Yes, boys? The first one is a constant. Boys, what's the equation? Let's just jump down to equation.
Y equals 1.
Someone said y equals 1. It's fine. Right? This explains that example up here, right? It's x to the 0 power. So class, or boys, what's the degree?
0.
And boys, how many x-intercepts?
None.
0. Girls, you're next. Girls, what is this one called? Girls, give me a rough equation for that one. What is it? Sure. X plus 1. Girls, what's the power degree right there? 1. And how many possible x-intercepts? 1. Girls, go ahead and do C. And girls, give me a rough equation there. Maybe minus 2. Right, shifted down 2. Girls, what's the degree? 0. And how many possible zeros? 0. Now, when I say possible zeros, think about it. If the quadratic equation was shifted up, does it cross the x-axis? No. So that would be 0 x-intercept. So we're going to talk about that in this chapter. And boys, the last one?
Cubic.
Equation?
Y equals x to the 3rd.
Maybe something like 5x to the 3rd minus 4x. Just made that up.
Yeah.
Remember, the highest power is to 3. So boys, your degree is
3.
and your x-intercepts or zeros are
3.
3 as well.